Thank you, Speaker ma'am. Although the Honourable Minister has given a very detailed reply to the previous questions and supplementaries, which leaves a very little scope for any further supplementaries, ma'am. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the Honourable Minister on the roadmap that he's chalked out for each and every district. One more thing, ma'am, all I would like to know from the Honourable Minister is that when you talk about tool rooms, which is a very big institute as far as giving training or training the youth or students in a tool room is concerned. So today, if we look at all the states in our country, we still have states which has no tool rooms at all. There are many states, and most of the states, states as large as maybe Madhya Pradesh or Bihar might just have one tool room. And Sir just mentioned in his replies that his ministry is planning to give something to each and every Lok Sabha constituency. I congratulate you for the same, sir. But all I would like to know through through you, madam, from the Honourable Minister is whether there is a survey being conducted from each and every Lok Sabha constituency or each and every district of our country, because there is a specialized unit everywhere, ma'am. I might have a different, I have a brass manufacturing unit where the brass components are supplied. In Morbi, in Saurashtra, in Gujarat, we will have a huge ceramic industry. In Muradabad, we might have something else related to brass. So the entire India has different thing in different districts. And if you, in order to employ the youth of that particular district, we have to train them according to the avenues available to them, industry available to them in their respective districts. So, sir, all I want to know from you is whether there is any survey which is being created or which is being done in this regard, that which district or which Lok Sabha constituency requires what kind of skill development institute. Thank you.
I think the Honourable Member has done a lot of work in asking this question. And this question would not have come unless she would have studied it, and I appreciate that she has studied this question. In fact, the National Skill Development Corporation has done a district-wise skill gap mapping. And every district of this country, except for the state of Bihar where I come from, that job has not been completed, which will get completed. Every district of the country, the job requirements and the skill gap in every district of the country has been done. It may be difficult to segregate it constituency-wise, but it is possible. It is already done. And this is how we are going ahead with deciding what vocational training or what skilling which we have to offer. But this is a huge task. We are talking about a country with 1,260 million people and a workforce of about 500 million people. It may not have. But we have just started it, and I think we'll reach very soon where we have started.
Very good.